Are in Rosslare and have just started the disembarking process. Anchor is one bike in front of me. You can see Kermit there. The weather in Ireland is amazing today. There is not a cloud to be seen.
We need to be on the other side in Ireland.
Yes, left hand side. Just follow everyone else, you'll be fine. I'm with you now, I'm right behind you.
Yeah.
Okay. Where are you?
Ireland.
You're in Ireland.
Yeah, I don't know how to say good morning in Ireland.
But
Is it
the sky is blue.
I know it's.
You can't be in Ireland.
It's a phenomenon.
Phenomenon.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
that's good.
a trick of the nature.
It is just beautiful weather today. We just filled our bellies at the Red Door, place near Wellington Bridge, but I'm not sure what it was, the actual town's name or where we stopped. But we are heading up towards Wellington Bridge now, and we can just fill up with some fuel. Got full bellies, and then we can go and have a bit of a ride through some hills, and then probably finish up somewhere possibly like Waterford, as in Waterford Crystal.
Yeah. Really nice alleyway. And it's actually a road. It just reminds me of France. It's a different.
We're on the other side of the road.
Yeah, we are. Exactly. It was a reminder this morning when we got out of the boat.
Yes.
That we need to keep left.
Yes, you do.
That's it.
You do. Yeah. Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Riding through Waterford. And look. Don't know what they are. Looks something like a nightclub or something, is it?
With your name might be a comedy. Stand-up comedy.
Yeah. No, it looks like a department store. How boring. Well. We're stuck in traffic heading to our hotel. Terrible place to find a place to stay, that's for sure. We spent probably about an hour on booking.com looking for a place. Can probably get one at about €500 a night. Someone doing a bit of remote desktop working over there. And the lovely beach here in Ireland.
You love the sand?
Oh yeah. The grains are a little bit bigger than what we have down at Scarborough Beach or Bribey Island. Yeah.
Just a tiny.
Yeah, very nice here though. Yeah. Well, we're enjoying the countryside run. Heading down to Kinsale in the end today. That's where we'll spend the night. Yeah, very pretty. More view. A little marina down there. A little bit of swell. A bit of a rocky coast back there. Very nice. Just waiting for my girl to catch up. She's somewhere behind. Beautiful view just over the hill from me. Oh, I can hear her. She's reconnected.
Hello.
Did you stop for a look?
No, I stopped for, yeah, well, no, I stopped to put my helmet on.
That's a good thing to do. Keep your helmet on your head.
Yeah.
You ready?
It's just amazing, yeah, I am.
Okay, you're on cam, by the way, just in case you want to know.
Beautiful outlook, look at that.
Stunning. Look,
wow.
Someone's camping.
I would camp there too.
Yeah, beautiful. Couple in swimming. Yeah. More than 1 or 2 cows.
Busy paddock.
Yeah. Oh, watch out, doggo. You're going to get hit, mate.
It's a field of cows.
Yeah.
Burgers.
Burgers galore. Certainly would have a decent view from up there. We're on the coast again. I think coming into Dungarvan this time. Nice view as we come out of Dungarvan, heading towards the hills. Beautiful view. Yeah, we have some oncoming traffic. Just having to make a bit of space on the road for them. Come on, fellas, keep moving.
Keep moving. Come on, come on, come on.
Keep moving.
Come on.
There you go.
Come on, come on, come on.
They're the boys.
There we go.
Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on. Go on.
One to go.
Go on.
Here we go. The car will push him along. There you go. That's it.
Right, you're okay.
The countryside here is just stunning. It's so green. My girl leading up the track for us.
Yes.
We're following a Volkswagen Type R Passat or something like that. I'm not sure what size it is. A bit bigger than normal. We've had a little bit of rain. Yeah, nice countryside. It's only a light shower for, and it was very short. It's been nice running around the hills, checking out the cattle as they come up the road. We're nearly at the end of it. We've got what, 7.5 kilometres to the end of this track, and that'll take us near Dungarvan again. So we've just done a big loop out into the hills and back. Yep. And that's about it for now.
Bumpy.
A little bit twisty.
As in bumpy and
Oh yeah.
rough.
I'm with you.
I'm crossing that coffee mill from 1 hour ago, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Like when I go to pee, it will be just off.
50. Oh, okay.